have elevator also. Elevator. Yes, long time ago working. Okay. Traffic two-way now. Two-way. This way to Tarlac, Mabalacat Tarlac. Another way is direction to center of Angeles. Another elevator, Georgi.